So welcome again. Today is the day 13th, and today we'll start with the Ho'oponopono on money. So let's start. So already we have done a little, abundance mindset class and also the EFT on money. So अभी तक आपको पता चल गया होगा कि जो भी limiting beliefs है, उसको हमें पहले release करना है, right? So once you start releasing, for any transformation, awareness is the first step for any transformation, right? So first you should be aware that ऐसी एक belief या point of view मेरी है या इस तरह से मैं judge कर रही हूँ. Once you start getting that awareness, then there is a transformation that you can expect to happen. Hi Anjuji, we have just started with this. Not much you have missed, so welcome here. Okay. So जैसे कि मैं बता रही थी कि for any transformation, awareness is the key. First, you have to be aware that you need to change thing, and this is the things that you need to change. Okay. So इसमें when you talk about money, so क्या क्या चीज आती है? Your point of views about money, your judgments about money, your limited beliefs about money. So already we have done the exercises in the past workshops where you have identified and list down all your limiting beliefs about money, and through EFT you have also been able to release few of them, right? So now taking the practice one level up, we will do the Ho'oponopono on money, which will simply be directed on increasing the prosperity energy, the energy levels, the vibrations through which you can vibrate at a higher frequency where you can attract more money into your life, right? So this is purely the energy work that we are going to do today, right? When we say that money is also a form of energy, right? हम लोगों ने we have already discussed a lot about this, that money is totally a form of energy. It is not in the form of any cash or kind which we generally predict it to be, right? So money flows through us, and when we say that money is a form of energy, that means energy cannot be controlled, energy cannot be stopped at any point of time, it cannot be kept in a closed box, right? So energy keeps on flowing. वो energy की प्रकृति है कि वो constantly flow करते रहती है, right? So when we say it is constantly flowing, then the energy of money is never stuck into your life, right? तो आपके पास जितना है उतना ही नहीं रहेगा हमेशा, कभी बढ़ेगा घटेगा, ज्यादा होगा कम होगा. It will always keep on flowing. It will never be stagnant, right? So our thoughts shapes our reality. That means हम लोग जो भी चीज सोचते हैं, whatever we think, feel, and the actions and our thoughts will determine the amount of money that we can have and keep with us, right? So many a times we create energetic blocks. एक blocks हम लोग create कर देते हैं which stops the flow of our receiving. When I say that it stops the flow of our receiving, that means कि मनी जो हमारे पास में आनी चाहिए वो हमारी रिसीविंग कैपेसिटी से ब्लॉक हो जाती है. सो वी आर नॉट ओपन टू रिसीविंग. इसमें क्या क्या चीज आता है? many a times we are not open to receive the criticism, judgments from other people, right? So all these things also blocks our receiving, which blocks the flow of money also from into our lives, right? So once you open up, once you put all your barriers down, सबसे beautiful or easiest technique is like it will not even take 1 minute, so it can be done in few seconds, that you are affirming that मेरी जितनी भी energetic blocks है which I have created around me, you are pushing it down 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 down. पूरा energetic blocks जो है आप अपने सामने या आगे पीछे जहां पे भी आपने खड़ा किया है वो सबको आप नीचे डाल रहे हैं, नीचे पुश कर रहे हैं, deliberately push कर रहे हैं, and it is going inside the ground at least 3 feet inside the ground so that it does not come up again and again, right? So जब भी आप वो करते हैं, then your receiving capacity, your openness also increases substantially, right? So that is one way where you can invite more money into your life by increasing your receiving capacity. Okay. So now the limiting beliefs, we have already talked about the limiting beliefs. You have to, every time you have to keep on thinking कि आपकी क्या limiting beliefs हैं. There might be that you have cleared few of the limiting beliefs, लेकिन कुछ नया आ गया है, which were not in surface as of now. But बाद में when you have released a lot of limiting beliefs, तो कुछ और नया नया लिमिटिंग बिलीफ सरफेस में आ गया है. सो it can be energy which have been subsided long before and now it has come into the surface. It can be a energy from your past lifetime or the memories of your childhood, right? So there is one exercise which I would want to do, that I think I have given you this exercise. I don't know whether you have done or not, that you have to write down one memory from your childhood which you remember about money, which has shaped your belief or your point of view about money. Okay. तो आपके चाइल्डहुड में कोई भी एक मेमोरी है जो आपके मनी की रियलिटी या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को शेप किया था, वो आपको रिमेम्बर करना है. दैट कैन बी वन ऑफ द लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स अबाउट मनी which you don't know, but then when you think to sit and think about it, it can be one of the memories from the childhood which has actually shaped your money reality. Okay. तो जब भी वो चीज आपको पता चले कि आपकी मेमोरी, मनी की मेमोरी क्या है, और वहां से आपको एक लिमिटिंग बिलीफ मिला, आई सजेस्ट दैट यू डू इधर EFT और होपनोपोनो टू रिलीज दैट एनर्जी. ओके. बिकॉज डीप डाउन जो बोलते हैं ना कि एक रूट में मनी की क्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, दैट कैन बी वन ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू विच इज डीप डाउन इनसाइड द रूट्स ऑफ योर मनी रियलिटी.
हम एक एग्जांपल देंगे ऐसा, मतलब चाइल्डहुड में मनी का क्या?
चाइल्डहुड के मनी की मेमोरीज ऐसे हो सकती है कि जैसे कि you have gone to a restaurant and then you are ordering certain amount of food which have a less amount, right? So वो एक हो सकती है. या फिर you have gone for shopping and then you have seen a thing which is very beautiful, but then your parents say that this is out of your budget, you cannot
या
have
कांट
that.
अफोर्ड, हाँ.
Okay. Or there can be a restriction, that is that you have wanted certain things at certain age, but then you are told that you don't deserve this right now because your age is young, right? So this amount of things can only be acquired at this stages, right? So that can also be one of the childhood memories about money which has shaped your reality. Then you will also teach your kids ki ये amount की चीज you cannot have in your kids stage. ऐसी चीज हो सकती है. जैसे मैं अपना एग्जांपल अगर दूं, तो I was fond of gold jewelry, but then till I went to college, I was not allowed or supposed to wear the gold jewelry. और आज के दिन में भी ऐसा है, you cannot make your kids wear a finger ring or a chain and let them go to the school, right? तो आज के दिन में भी वो एक reality है. Now it can also shape your money reality because as a kid जो हमारी mind होती है, it is very we are very receptive and then हम लोग हर चीज को अपनी belief मान लेते हैं, right? So if we are told कि नहीं आप स्कूल तक you cannot wear a gold jewelry or a finger ring, then वो एक reality हो जाएगी हमारी कि because I don't cannot afford this or I don't deserve it. Okay. So ऐसी कोई memory है आपकी childhood की, तो just recall it because that can be the root
ऐसे
cause
तो
of your
बहुत है
financial.
मैम, ऐसे बहुत
Of
है,
course बहुत सारी रहती है, बहुत सारी
बहुत
रहती है.
सारे
ये
हैं।
छोटी छोटी चीज जो है वो हमारी मनी रियलिटी को शेप
क्योंकि
करती है.
कॉलेज जब जाती थी, मुझे याद है मेरे डैडी 3 जीन्स खरीद के देते थे, मतलब साल में टॉप्स देते थे, 3
हाँ.
जीन्स। और
हाँ.
मुझे लगता था बाकी लोग आते थे गाड़ी में करके पहने, उनके पास तो कितना है, मेरे पास 3 है ओनली।
राइट. सो दैट इज
हमने,
वन ऑफ योर
हाँ,
मनी रियलिटी कि मेरे पास
हाँ,
बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है. आई ऑलवेज हैव लेस टू एक्सपेंस. सो व्हाट वुड इट टेक फॉर यू टू हैव always endless amount of money to spend, not
हुँ,
only on your family members but also on yourself. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है कि we have seen our parents sacrificing, तो हमारी मनी की रियलिटी भी वैसी ही हो जाती है, that first I should take care of these things and then I should go and think about myself, my own self.
हुँ, राइट।
Right? So what if you have that unlimited capacity of spending? So once you increase your spending, that you have that unlimited capacity of spending, you are also receiving the money, right? So spending का capacity बढ़ा रहे दिन आपकी receiving की capacity भी बढ़ रही है subsequently, because there in universe there is always balance. जितना आप दोगे उतना ही
सेम थिंग,
मिलेगा.
हाँ, मैं वही अभी जब मैं वार्डरोब के सामने खड़ी रहती हूँ, मेरे एक वार्डरोब पूरे जीन्स से भरी हुई है, तब मेरे
राइट.
को याद आता है कॉलेज टाइम, डैड ने मुझे
हम्म.
सिर्फ बोला साल में 3 ही जीन्स मिलेगा, टॉप्स तुम खरीद लो, चेंज करो,
हम्म.
पैंट तो ऐसे ही रहते हैं। और मैं
हम्म.
देखती हूँ और मुझे वो दिन याद आता है, मेरे डैड ने सिर्फ
हम्म.
3 जीन्स दिया साल में, और मेरे पास
हम्म.
पूरे कबर्ड भरा हुआ जीन्स पैंट है। तो
एग्जैक्टली.
ये सब वो, मतलब वो मेमोरी मेरे को आता ही है बार-बार, जब भी मैं उस कबर्ड
हाँ.
के पास जाती
So
हूँ।
just release that. Even though I have this childhood memory that I should have only 3 genes in a year, I accept and release this. I accept and love myself. तो उसको आप EFT से रिलीज कर सकते हैं दैट मेमोरी को, बिकॉज
ओके।
ये मेमोरी हैज क्रिएटेड अ लिमिटेड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ओके,
राइट।
तो ऐसे जितनी भी मेमोरीज आपकी आती है, इफ यू सेट टू थिंक अबाउट इट, जो भी मेमोरी आपके अवेयरनेस में रहेगी, यू कैन सिंपली रिमूव इट एंड लेट इट गो एंड रिलीज सो दैट you increase your money capacity.
राइट।
Okay.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Okay. एंड कोई भी ऐसी एक लिमिटिंग बिलीफ है आपकी, उसके साथ में आप होपोनोपोनो की प्रेयर रिपीट कर सकते हैं. आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू. आई सजेस्ट दैट यू डू दिस प्रेयर फॉर 108 टाइम्स. ठीक है, तो कभी भी एक मेमोरी को आप पकड़ते हो, एक लिमिटिंग बिलीफ को आप पकड़ते हो, एंड यू आर डूइंग दैट act with an Ho'oponopono technique, then believe me, 108 times creates miracles. It creates miracles. So you repeat that. आपके पास अगर वो 108 माला है, 108 beads का माला है, then simply you can sit and do that one. It will not take more than 15 minutes. 15 minutes में बहुत stretch में if you are saying slowly, but simply 108 times create miracles. हमारे ये limiting beliefs जो है ना, फटाफट से you can release that with this. Okay, so you can say, I am sorry, this, you can take a screenshot of this if you want. You can say, I am sorry for holding on to this belief when you are releasing through Ho'oponopono. I am sorry for holding on to this belief. Please forgive me for not trusting myself with money. Thank you for teaching me this lesson, and I love and accept myself. Okay, so this is the simplest money Ho'oponopono which you can do for each limiting beliefs that you have. हर एक belief के लिए आप ये 108 times you can repeat this. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this if you want. और simply अगर I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you भी बोलेंगे तो भी work करेगा. It's not that you have to create in sentences, but then once you, जैसे मैंने बोला कि अवेयरनेस जितनी ज्यादा होगी आपकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन उतनी ज्यादा होगी. सो इफ यू आर अवेयर कि आप कौन से बिलीव को रिमूव कर रहे हैं, देन द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड चेंज विल हैपन मोर. ओके, so now once you do the EFT or the Ho'oponopono technique, there is a new relationship that you create with the money. Okay, so to create the new relationship with the money, once we attune our minds to writing, so you already know कि writing में power होती है, right? The things that you think, अगर उसको आपको physical world में लेके आना है, right? We stay in a physical world. It is a lower world, it is a physical world. So once you need to bring all your thoughts, beliefs, actions, your desire, your wishes into a physical world, और physical world is a materialization world, तो वहां पे आके वो materialize होती है, right? So if you want to change and upgrade your money reality, and you want to have a new relationship with money reality, this is a beautiful task that you can do. You can simply write a letter to money. Dear money, I thank you for coming into my life. I'm truly grateful for you. You have allowed me to have so and so things with money, and you are creating a new relationship with the money. Okay, so this is a beautiful technique which you can do. This would be your task, home play. You can do at home. Simply write a letter to the money, and after you have written the letter, there is no need absolutely to read it again. You can simply burn that letter and let it go again into the energy world, but usko physicalize or materialize कर लीजिए, right? So because now you have removed one limiting belief, जैसे कि आपका limiting belief है कि ज्यादा पैसे नहीं है, there is not enough. Okay, तो आपने उसमें EFT और Ho'oponopono टेक्निक से वो बिलीव को आपने रिमूव किया. Now you are installing a new belief which says कि मनी मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा है. आई हैव अनलिमिटेड सोर्सेज ऑफ मनी, आई हैव अनलिमिटेड सोर्सेज ऑफ income. Money flows to me effortlessly, right? Easily, effortlessly. So this is a new relationship with money which you are creating. So अभी वो energy form में है because you are believing that, right? Through the practice of the whatever affirmations, you are creating that particular thought form in a physical world, in a energy world. लेकिन उसको physicalize और materialize करने के लिए, if you write it down, that if you write a letter to money, if you write it down, it makes more permanent and more physicalized. Okay, सो वो एनर्जी को आप फिजिकल फॉर्म में लेके आ रहे हैं, सो दैट यू नाउ यू हैव इंस्टॉल्ड अ न्यू बिलीफ, इट बिकम्स परमानेंट इन नेचर. ओके, so write a letter. This is your home play. You have to write a letter to money. Dear money, I am truly grateful to you for coming into my life, for allowing me to have a safety and security in my life, for allowing me to purchase a house, car, clothes, taking care of my financial needs, helping me purchase the food, whatever you would like to have, right? And always whenever I think about you, I get the flow of money effortlessly, easily, right? So it always flows to me. I thank you for that. So these are all the things you can write in a letter form to money, and then you can simply burn that letter. Okay. So few of the statements I've already written here. Money flows to me easily, constantly, effortlessly. I'm worthy of abundance. I deserve to receive massive amount of money. Okay. So whatever it is for you, whatever you are physicalizing, you can also write down in the letter itself.
Hello.
Yes.
What if someone else is using my name for earning so much money? It belongs to me, but it doesn't come to me.
Okay. Bless that particular person. Bless that particular person and just imagine that he is giving you lots of money. Okay. So when you imagine money, one of the sources of your income is coming from him. And bless that particular
not a
person that
single
he
penny
gets
is
even
coming
more
in.
money. He makes even more money. Bless him that he makes even more money. और उतना ज्यादा वो पैसे कमाए कि वो फिर संभाल नहीं पाए, and then he get that particular energy of guilt कि I'm using your name and then I should also contribute to you. Okay, so once you keep on
And
imagining that you are getting,
it's been 15 years, and he is using both of our name for earning so much and so much money. Every second-hand business is in our name, but not a single penny is in our hand. Each and everything belongs. Right now, he owns that. Our name also.
no problem. Just bless him. Just bless him with more massive amounts of money. And just imagine that you are also receiving one of your passive income is through him. Okay. And it is coming to you. Okay. और अपना लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स कि कहाँ पे आपने उसको स्टॉप किया है या रोका है, वो एनर्जी को आप रिलीज करो.
मुझे तो कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है कि कहीं कुछ रोका है उन्हें.
So simply invite the money. Okay, one of your passive income can be that, right? So just keep on inviting the money from that particular source only.
Suruchi, I
And
have
then
to say something.
Yeah, and then when you write the letter, you also write that you thank that particular person for creating massive amounts of money, and now you invite all those money into your life. And even if there is any energies which belongs to your past karma or past life karma, you are simply releasing that. Okay, so once you do the EFT, you also release that कि अगर ये memory मेरे past life से associated है, then you release that without even knowing it. Okay, go
एक और
ahead.
बिलीव है, जैसे कुछ भी लेना चाहते थे बचपन में, तो ये सुनने धीरे धीरे रे मन्ना धीरे सब कुछ है. मतलब एट प्रेजेंट कुछ नहीं होगा, धीरे धीरे होगा. वो धीरे धीरे में लाइफ पार होते जा रही है.
Exactly.
तो वो हमेशा ऐसा लगता है फ्यूचर में होगा. बिफोर मैरिज, आफ्टर मैरिज सबको ऐसा लगता है हाँ होगा, सब फ्यूचर में होगा. पर फ्यूचर तो कभी आ ही नहीं रहा है. जो आज से 20 साल पहले था आज भी वही है. तो
right.
वो प्रॉब्लम बहुत बड़ी है. कभी भी वो हमेशा हाँ फ्यूचर अच्छा होगा.
तो
हाँ, आज
हमेशा
प्रेजेंट तो करते करते 20
जब भी
वर्ष
आप
हो गए.
अपने अफर्मेशंस बनाते हो, राइट डाउन दैट यू गेट दिस इंस्टेंटली एंड इमीडिएटली. ओके, क्यों हम फ्यूचर के लिए वेट करें? व्हाई शुड यू नॉट हैव दैट राइट नाउ? ओके, सो whatever you are asking for in your life, just ask it for happening it right now, and you deserve to have it immediately rather than future. So जहां पे भी आपने वो एक ब्लॉक क्रिएट किया है that I don't deserve now, I deserve everything in future, वो ब्लॉक को आप रिलीज कर रहे हैं, वो एनर्जेटिक ब्लॉक को आप रिलीज कर रहे हैं, वो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को आप रिलीज कर रहे हो कि धीरे धीरे से मेरे पास में हर चीज आएगा. वो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को रिलीज कर रहे हैं, एंड यू आर आस्किंग फॉर एवरीथिंग टू हैपन राइट नाउ.
और वही जो सोच है ना, वो ऐसे लग रहा है हाँ होगा, होगा सब कुछ होगा, पर होता कुछ नहीं है। वो तो टाइम पार हो जाता है, उस चीज की डिजायर भी खत्म हो जाती है।
एग्जैक्टली सो वो एक पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग है कि होगा होगा होगा, और फिर वो उसके बाद में होता नहीं। वो एक कहानी हम लोग बचपन में सुने थे ना, शेर आ रहा आ रहा आ रहा आ रहा,
हम्म।
और एक दिन आता है। राइट, सो वही होता है हमारे लाइफ में भी। राइट, जस्ट अ मिनट। हाँ, okay. So always when you ask for money to come into your life, ask it to happen now.
ओके।
Okay. Yes, Anju ji.
सरुचि, जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि दैट अदर पर्सन इज अर्निंग इन देयर नेम एंड ऑल, मतलब जो भी जस्ट जैसे एज शी वाज टेलिंग यू, so one thought came to my mind कि this can be like all the inviting all the molecules, particulates of money into our life from all the sources. That can be done, money pull.
Yeah, मनी पुल कर सकते हैं, बट शी डज नॉट नो एक्सेस, सो वो एक्सेस
नहीं,
अभी नहीं कर पाएगी।
I mean,
बट देन
I am
शी इज,
talking to
हम्म
terms of excess only. कि
या वही मैं,
इस केस में तो
ऑफ कोर्स मनी पुल कर सकते हैं, वी जनरली डू इट, बट देन एज ऑफ नाउ दिस ग्रुप इज नॉट अवेयर मच ऑफ अ एक्सेस, राइट? सो वो टूल यहाँ पे
अच्छा।
इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं हो
और
सकता, बट देन या
मनी पुल, suppose some person is owing us some money, as in that person has taken a loan, and then he or she is not refunding, I mean, not giving it back, not even a single penny, and just aaj kal. So
I
in
have a
that case,
beautiful result through Ho'oponopono. Just imagine while doing Ho'oponopono, simply imagine that that person is giving you that cash into your hand. Okay? And do Ho'oponopono for 108 times. Believe me, miraculously, because बहुत सारे रिजल्ट ऐसे हैं Ho'oponopono से वो रिजॉल्व हुए हैं.
अभी जैसे suppose, I mean, suppose I owe you money and I am not giving it back. So what would you say?
I would do a Ho'oponopono. I would do a Ho'oponopono. I will say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And now I will imagine, I will visualize that you are giving that money into my hands and I'm becoming happy and wealthy.
Just that.
Just that.
अच्छा, और suppose it is जैसे कि my husband, उनका money है and some person is not giving, तो in that case how do I do
Just
it?
do Ho'oponopono for that person. Just imagine that person, do Ho'oponopono. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And imagine that he is giving the money into the hands of your husband. From your husband, it is coming to you. Okay, you and your husband are not separate, you are together. Right? Through him, it will come to you only
So in
indirectly.
that
So you can
case,
still do it.
so in that case, I can imagine that both of us are standing there and that person is
Yeah, he's
giving
giving
that
the
money.
money to your husband, sir.
हाँ, both of us are receiving that money.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Okay.
Okay. Ho'oponopono with visualization creates miracles.
Thank you.
Any other questions?
No.
So let's do the guided meditation. Okay, are you ready? Just sit straight. If you want to drink some water, you can drink some water. I will guide you. This would be a guided meditation. I hope the music is not very loud.
It's not audible at all. At least I can't hear.
Now?
No.
What about others?
No,
नहीं यार.
स्टोर में सुनाई पड़ रहा था.
नहीं, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा म्यूजिक.
Okay, just a minute. I think. Share sound तो है. अभी आया?
No.
Are you able to listen now?
No.
नहीं आ रहा है? I don't know why. Okay, ठीक है.
बहुत स्लो आ रहा है एकदम.
बहुत स्लो है.
अच्छा आ रहा है ना, मतलब वही. just a minute. अभी आ रहा है?
हाँ, यस यस.
हाँ, वो स्लो करके रखा है, अदरवाइज अभी आ रहा है ना.
हम्म.
वही मैं बोली कि क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, राइट. Okay, sit straight. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. One more time, inhale slowly and exhale slowly. One more time, inhale slowly, and this time hold a breath for a moment. And now exhale, and again hold the breath for a moment. One more time, inhale slowly. Hold your breath for a moment. As you hold your breath, you are becoming more grounded and present. And exhale. And one more time, hold the breath for a moment. Again, inhale slowly. With each breath, you are becoming more grounded and more present. And now exhale. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding you. You are totally inside the golden light. It is the light of abundance and prosperity. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. And now connect with your subconscious mind. Bring your awareness towards any kind of thoughts, memories, feelings about money. Any of the negative thoughts or emotions that arise, either stress or fear or doubt. Acknowledge all these feelings about money without any judgment. and inhale slowly. As you inhale, the golden light is slowly entering your subconscious mind, and it is releasing all these negative beliefs. And as you exhale, all the negative thoughts, feelings, emotions, beliefs, memories are coming out. Do this one more time. Inhale slowly, and as you inhale, just visualize this golden light is entering into your subconscious mind, and it is washing over all the negative thoughts, feelings, emotions about money. Any kind of negative emotions that arise is also removed. Any kind of stress, fear, doubt is removed. Just acknowledge these feelings without any judgment. And as you exhale, simply let it go out of your body, your aura. And now say to yourself, I take full responsibility for my emotions, thoughts, and feelings about money.
I take full responsibility about my feelings, thoughts.
I am ready to heal and transform my money story. One more time, say to yourself, I take full responsibility for my emotions, thoughts, feelings about money. I am ready to heal and transform my money story. As you focus on these emotions or any specific money related memories, repeat this Ho'oponopono prayers with me. I am sorry for any negative thoughts, beliefs, and actions I had around money. Please forgive me for the energy I have put onto the universe that has created lack or scarcity. Thank you, money, for the lessons you have brought into my life, even in the times of struggle. I love you, money, as a form of energy that supports my dream and desires. With each repetition, feel the energy around money beginning to change and shift. All the old fears, beliefs, thoughts, feelings are dissolving, and it is being replaced by abundance and a sense of peace. One more time, repeat with me. I am sorry for any negative thoughts, beliefs, or actions I have around money. Please forgive me for the energy I have put onto the universe that has created this scarcity. Thank you, dear money, for the lessons you have brought into my life, even in the times of struggle. I love you, money, as a form of energy, as it supports my dream and desires. One more time, I am sorry for any negative thoughts, beliefs, and actions I have around money. Please forgive me for the energy I have put onto the universe that has created this scarcity. Thank you, dear money, for the lessons you have brought into my life, even in the times of struggle. I love you, money, as a form of energy that supports my dreams and desires. Now imagine a steady and stable golden light is flowing into your life. As this light represents abundance, wealth, support, opportunities, possibilities. Just visualize yourself surrounded with financial freedom. see yourself using the money with ease and joy and with gratitude. Whatever you have wanted to do with money into your life, all your desires are getting fulfilled. Whatever you have desired is getting fulfilled thoroughly with the money. And again, repeat with me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, dear money. I love you, money. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, dear money. I love you, money. I am sorry. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, dear money. I love you, money. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, money. I love you, money. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, money. I love you, money. I am sorry. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, money. I love you, money. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me. Thank you, dear money. I love you, money. With each repetition, you can see the golden light is becoming more stronger and more stable. There is a constant flow of money into your life with each phrase. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now repeat the affirmations with me. I am worthy of financial abundance. All this financial abundance is for me. Money flows to me easily, joyfully, right now. Money flows to me easily, joyfully, effortlessly, right now. I use money as a tool to create joy and purpose in my life. I use money as a tool to bring financial abundance into my life. I am grateful for all the wealth that I already have. I am grateful for all the things that I attract with money into my life. I am grateful to money itself for coming so easily and taking care of me and my needs. Thank you, dear money, for taking care of me and all my needs and desires. Thank you, money, for taking care of me and all my needs and desires. Thank you, money, for taking care of me and all my needs and desires. Thank you, money, for taking care of me and all my needs and desires. Thank you, money, for taking care of me and all my needs and desires. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. And as you inhale now, all the financial abundance, all the gold energy which is created around you is slowly entering into your being. It is changing and transforming your own energy into a magnetic energy. the energy of prosperity and abundance. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. One more time, inhale slowly and exhale slowly. And as you do it, the entire gold energy has dissolved and integrated with your being. Slowly bring your awareness to this room. Bring your awareness to your body. Move your fingers, move your toes. And gently, whenever you can open your eyes with a smile. Okay. How are you feeling? You are mute.
आपके सामने बहुत सारी तितलियां दिखी मुझे अभी। हजारों तितलियां।
Wow. Great.
And I could actually feel the warmth all over me.
Okay, that's the warm golden light. Golden light is always warm.
हाँ
Yeah.
एंड उसमें ऐसे मतलब जब आपने बोला ना कि इट इज ऑल एब्जॉर्बिंग विद इन यू, तो मतलब इट वाज लाइक एक्चुअली फीलिंग, मतलब सिर्फ नॉट जस्ट बोलने वाली, बट आई कुड एक्चुअली फील इट going inside me, every molecule of my body.
Yeah. With the meditation for
So
some time, I was also into the trance state. Even I went into the trance.
आप ये वाली एफर्मेशंस और जो आपने होपोनोपोनो का बोला था वो आप उस पे ग्रुप पे भेज दोगे प्लीज?
हाँ, मैं भेज दूंगी. I will send it to you.
Thank you.
Okay, so be in this energy for today. I have not written anything now after this because I want you to be in this energy. This is a gold energy of money. So be in that. And now, a lot of limiting beliefs has already cleared with this energy. So keep on affirming how, as many times as you can, even after this session is over. So you can keep on affirming that money comes to you effortlessly, easily, and it is coming to you immediately whenever you desire, whenever you ask for it. It simply shows up into your life. And thank the universe for having that, right? So just be grateful for your financial abundance, and abundance will flow to you more. Okay. So thank you so much. See you again next week. The timing would be same for next week as well. 12:30. We will see you on Saturday with another topic on Ho'oponopono. And thank you so much and have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And what about Sunday timing?
Sunday timing would be same 1 o'clock because we are having graphology workshop between 11 to 1. So it would be 1 o'clock. Today there was delay because I had some meeting and it got delayed. So that is why we have changed that.
No problem.
But ma'am, this time is okay. We can keep now on Sunday this time, 4 o'clock.
I have no issues, but then I don't think Binita ji is able to join at this time.
Okay.
So I'll ask in the group if all of you are okay with 4 o'clock. I am okay with it. If you are all okay, I don't have any issues.
बस मुझे क्या होता है ना, वो टाइम में थोड़ा मेड वगैरह आते रहते हैं ना, बेल बजाता है, खोलो, ये टाइम सब चले जाते हैं, आराम से बैठे रहो अपना लिविंग रूम में, नो डिस्टर्बेंस. हस्बैंड सोते रहते हैं अपने रूम में, मैं अपना लिविंग रूम में बैठे थे, नो डिस्टर्बेंस. उसमें क्या होता है, एक के बाद एक आता है, बेल बजाता है, तो मेरे को उठ के जाना पड़ता है. इसलिए आई एम प्रीफर दिस टाइम इज best time.
I will ask in the group if everybody agrees for this time. I have no issues because Sunday ko as it is, even if we go out, it is after 5 o'clock only. So that's not a problem for me.
Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
So great. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Enjoy your Sunday. Bye bye.
Thanks.
Bye.